This is the new Insta360 Mic Air. I have the combo edition, which comes with a USB-C receiver, so you can not only use the mic with your Insta360 X5, but you can also use this mic with your phone, with your tablet, or even your laptop. So it gives you the versatility to use this mic wherever you want. We're going to be testing this out with my Insta360 X5. I'm going to show you a before and after sample of the audio and how great this sounds. This on its own comes around £50 on the Insta360 website. This combo pack with both of them is around £70. So make sure to check the link and any discount codes to get some free gifts if you are interested in getting really high quality audio, not just for your Insta360 X5, but generally for all of your filming and content creation needs. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the mic. Now there's a few ways to attach this to yourself. Of course, you've got the magnetic button. Very strong magnet. This is extremely lightweight, 7.9 grams. You can barely feel this when it is connected. We'll dive into this in a second. You also have a magnetic pendant that you can put this around your neck, make it a little bit easier. You also have a traditional clip that you can use to clip onto your clothing. And then you have a windshield, so you can wrap this around the microphone if you are outdoors and it's a little bit windy, just to isolate some of that background noise. And it also comes with a USB charger for the microphone. In terms of the battery life, you can get roughly up to about 10 hours, which I think is great for all day shooting. And this can actually operate up until 300 meters of unobstructed straight line of sight. This is paired via Bluetooth, and I'm going to showcase how you connect that to your X5 right now. And finally, alongside a user manual, you also get this carry case to take all of these items and accessories with you on the go very easily. So let's go ahead and connect it and showcase how this sounds. Now to use the mic, it does have a button just on the side to power it on. You have to hold this down a couple of seconds, the light will blink. This is going to be required to turn the mic off as well once you are finished using it. The first time you use this, you just press the button once, it will go into pairing mode, the blue light will keep flashing. On your X5, you swipe down, swipe right twice to get to Bluetooth. You go there, Bluetooth headset microphone. I've already connected it the first time, so you can see the mic Air. Go ahead and select that. And there you can see it's now connected. Very quick and easy to do so. If I just tap that, there's a few things that you can actually do with this. You can actually turn on the noise reduction feature directly from the X5, or if you double press the button on the side of the mic, the light will go green, and this means the noise cancellation mode is now turned on. I'm going to turn that off, and we'll showcase some sample audios that I've taken outdoors with the noise cancellation mode turned on. And just finally, a little bit about the different options for the button. If you press the button once, a single press, this can actually start and stop the recording from your X5 remotely, which I think is very convenient. A double press will enable or disable the noise reduction mode. A triple press would actually mute the microphone, and you can just hold it for about 6 seconds to go back into pairing mode. So it's very straightforward, very simple to use. Let's go ahead and test out the audio. Okay, so I don't have the microphone connected. This is the audio coming from the internal microphone of the Insta360 X5, just to show you a comparison of how great the audio quality on this tiny little mic Air. Let's go ahead and make the switch. Now this is the audio coming from the mic Air. Can you hear the difference? That is amazing. The quality on this is absolutely brilliant. I've got it connected with the magnetic button. I can barely feel that there's anything connected to my shirt. And what more do you want from a wireless microphone to give you such high quality audio? And the fact that I can start and stop the recording with a single press of the button just makes it so much convenient, so I can do a lot of shooting at a distance. Now I'm going to test this outdoors because I can go a lot further than being quite near to my X5, which I think is going to sound great as well. So we'll go ahead and show you some samples outdoors with this microphone. Okay, so now we're outdoors, and this is an audio test without the noise cancellation turned on. I do have the windshield protection on because there's a little bit of wind, not that much, but it's a nice sunny day today, and I just want to showcase how great this sounds. Even though I can walk at a much longer distance, I need to be facing the X5 so the audio doesn't break out. One thing I do like is when you do connect this mic Air to the X5, it gives you the option to have dual audio tracks, so that it also records the audio from the internal mic on the X5 as well as the mic Air, just in case if this does cut off for whatever reason and you're still relatively near to the X5, you can still get the audio right from the X5 itself. So that's kind of like a backup security feature for the dual recording. Now, like I mentioned, I can go hundreds of meters back if I want to film at that distance, but this is far enough. I'm around 40 meters. That's good enough for good long distance shooting and also getting great audio. But what I'm going to do is turn on the noise cancellation, the noise reduction mode with a double click, and then hopefully you can see if it drowns out a lot of the windy noise in my background and makes my audio a lot clearer. Okay, so the light is now green. That means the noise reduction mode is turned on. How clear is my voice coming directly from this microphone? You're probably not going to hear anything else around me. None of the birds that are chirping in the trees behind me. There is a road right behind all of those trees in the distance. I can hear a lot of the cars driving past right now, but I'm confident you all won't be able to hear any of those noises. A car just went past. You may have heard a very loud engine, but the noise reduction feature is great, eliminates all of the wind, and I'm very happy. And the fact that I can use this all wirelessly, I don't need to worry about getting a receiver attached to my X5. That's even more of a bonus. So that's the Insta360 Mic Air. Make sure to check the link in the description. I'm very happy with it. It's very affordable, one of the best sounding wireless microphones, especially if you're going to pair it with your Insta360 X5. It's a must-have accessory. If you want to get the combo with the USB-C receiver, then I do recommend that as well, because then now I can use this great quality microphone with my phone and even with my laptop if I want to take calls from that. Absolutely brilliant. As always, any questions, drop them down below. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.